Actually going to move into chapter 21. And chapter 21 is going to move us into a fun system, one that I think is fun anyway. I love all the systems, but you know, some of them are a little cumbersome, okay? But this one, moving into the lymphatic and the immune system. I don't know about y'all, okay, but I kind of like my immune system, okay? What you're seeing in this first slide, have you ever heard of a transmission electron microscope? Okay, it's a microscope that can actually see through something. So this is seeing through a T lymphocyte. You guys remember the T cells, the ones that have to go to the thymus gland to get mature? And once they're matured, they'll move into probably one of the lymph nodes. All right? And it's actually attacking the cancer cell. Because in our bodies, one of the things that our lymph system will do, it can attack cancerous cells if need be, okay? And it tries to attack it first before we have to move into other methods. But that's okay, we're not getting into it that deep. But our immune system, this lymph and immune system, it is our defense system for the body. So what we're going to see is that our bodies, we house multitudes of organisms. I mean, you would be shocked. There are actually little videos out there where you can actually see like the little microbes and stuff that are on your eyelashes. I mean, it is so cool. Just saying, you know. So, you know, it's really kind of cool, the stuff that we house. So the job is to make sure that we can filter through these organisms, through these microbes, through whatever the case might be, something foreign that's trying to attack us. We're very dependent on the white blood cells. We do find that in some areas of the system, we're going to see it help with the production of white blood cells. We learned in that chapter about blood that we have that one pluripotent stem cell that's going to give rise to these parts that are in the blood. And the white blood cells, of course, was one part of it. Something else that our immune system is going to be able to do, it's going to be able to generate disease-fighting antibodies. Okay? So we're going to generate these disease-fighting antibodies. And those are going to become important because if your body cannot produce them, then stuff's going to be able to come in, take over, and that's not necessarily a good thing to have happen. So another part that this lymph system is going to be able to do, the lymph system's makeup, okay? We're going to find that we're going to have components of this system. And this system is going to have its own fluid, and this fluid's going to be called lymph. You're going to find that the structures that make this up are going to be located at the same place as the capillaries. So they're going to have this connection, believe it or not, to the circulatory system. And the lymph